Welcome to North Beach, San Clemente. Behind me, a relatively newer construction condo building for the area. If you want something that's walkable to North Beach, walkable to restaurants, you've got to check out this condo. Follow me and I'll show you. All right, so I'm sitting in the main foyer of the Terra Mar building. We just walked through the front gate. One of the things I can tell you is the building is super secure. You need a key fob to get in the gate. You need a key fob to operate the elevator. So you get this great element of privacy and security. And what's more is the elevator takes you to the garage, it takes you to the front door of the condo, and it takes you to the rooftop ocean view deck. So let's go check out the unit and check out the ocean view. Here we are inside the condo, 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, which is huge. If you're entertaining or if you have guests staying at the condo with you, you don't want people to have to go into the bedroom to use the bathroom. What this condo has is a hallway half bath, which gives a lot of options when it comes to entertaining guests or hosting, which is super nice. The other thing about this unit, it's 1,360 square feet. If you go through San Clemente and you pull up all the 2-bedroom condos that are available, this is gonna be on the medium to upper end of square footage, which is really, really nice. 1,300 square feet feels and lives so much bigger than a 900 or 1,000 square foot 2-bedroom. The other thing about this property, it was built in 2010. Most of San Clemente was built in the 70s and 80s. So what you end up getting is 9-foot ceilings, newer doors and windows, and overall a newer feel to the building. It really just adds to that upscale element that this property has. So the next best place in this property besides this open concept living area is the master bedroom and bathroom. Let's go check that out. So here we are at the master. Like I said, newer construction lends itself to more spacious rooms and open concept space, which is hard to find in this $1.1 to $1.3 million condo market. So in this master bathroom, dual vanities, soaking tub, spacious shower, and a walk-in closet, plus plenty of room for a king-size bed and nightstands with a dresser. I don't know much more you could ask for in this price range, in this square footage. And the best part about it, you step outside the front door to this condo, you're walking to restaurants, you're walking to the train station at North Beach where you can go down to Del Mar or go see a concert in LA, all on foot. That's what makes this condo so special. Come and check it out. And wait, I still have to show you the rooftop deck. Let's end there. I'm glad I didn't forget this part. The ocean view rooftop deck, which has amazing sunsets, views out towards Catalina Island with Dana Point Harbor in the background. And when you're up here, there's 360-degree views of what's going on here in San Clemente, with North Beach having some awesome restaurants, local breweries, and the actual North Beach proper. This place has so much going for it. Make sure and reach out to me to schedule a tour. You can call or text, and we'll meet here today. I'll see you then.